May bagong contender sa labanan ng mga croissants, pastries, and cafes dito sa Pampanga. Lalong-lalo na at sila mismo yung nagbe-bake ng mga yan. They have a 24-hour production and very proud sila sa ganda nitong baking facility nila. Hindi lang basta breads kundi pati yung cream na ginagamit nila sa mga food, sila rin mismo yung nagmi-mix. Apart from the breads and pastries, they also have a good assortment of coffee and non-coffee drinks. Meron din silang rice meals, snacks, salads, and more. This place is called Hash, and yes, eto yung bago sa San Fernando na pinopost ng napakaraming tao lately. At magmula nung Manyaman Festival, pag nakakasalubong ko yung mga kilala kong cafe enthusiasts, content creators, and even photographers, tinatanong nila ako lagi, nagpunta ka na ba sa Hash? Kaya eto na nga, nagpunta na tayo sa wakas. Yung dining area niya, merong halong air-conditioned at meron ding alfresco. Tapos meron pa silang second floor eto, malapit na rin niya mag-open for customers. Eto naman yung mga order natin at kakain tayo dito sa isa sa kanilang mga private rooms. Perfect para sa mga may meeting, conference, or small gatherings. We started with a very refreshing salad. Yung dressing niya is tangy and light. Ang sarap ipares dito sa crisp cut fries that's very cheesy with a hint of truffle. Sobrang okay nitong cheesesteak croissant. You get cheesy and tender beef with slightly caramelized onions. Sabi ng isang friend ko, ang sarap din daw ng burger dito. Although, hindi ko na yun in-order for today. Instead, ang in-order ko ay itong chicken and waffles and I made a sandwich out of it. Perfect combo yan, guys. Sa laki ng serving, pwede na rin good for sharing. 2 pieces yung chicken at malaki yung waffle. This naman is their salmon kare-kare, which actually got me impressed. Kasi yung sarsa ng kare-kare nila hindi tinipid sa peanut. Syempre may kasama yung talong and sitaw plus crispy pieces of salmon belly. Yung mga hindi mahilig magkape, you can opt for their matcha at etong chocolate drink nila. Pwede rin yan para sa kids. Pagdating naman sa pastries, bestseller daw nila ay itong pistachio Sans Rival. And in fairness, huling-huli yung experience nung pagkain ng Sans Rival at ang sarap ng pistachio cream. Meron din itong dark chocolate pistachio cookie. Soft cookie siya on the outside and it actually has kataifi pastry on the inside that gives it extra crunch. Ito namang susunod, tuwan-tuwa kami dyan. If ensaymada and croissant had a baby, this would be it. And then ang dami niya pang caramel on the inside, winner yan. Up next yung tibok-tibok pastry. Though I wish the tibok-tibok part could be a little bit more softer, but the idea behind it is genius. Meron pang latik sa taas. Memorable for me itong pastry na batirol flavor. Kasi dun mismo sa pastry plus yung filling on the inside, with every bite, lasang-lasa mo yung batirol. Another one of their best sellers, itong ube yema croissant at tignan nyo naman yung filling niya. Talagang umaapaw sa dami, girl. Pero at the same time, hindi siya overly sweet. Meron din itong truffle that's served hot and crunchy tapos lalagyan ng fresh bananas and ice cream on top. It's a really good contrast of textures, super fun kainin. We also had some coffee and refreshers. And in fairness, sa dami ng pagpipilian, sobrang okay na to have a meal with your family and friends. Ikaw, nag-hash ka na rin ba?